I talk a lot in these videos about the importance of bringing automation to production ops. There's a basic reason for that. It's the next problem to solve. Most everyone is moving to the cloud if they can, because it brings agility, it allows them to develop faster, it allows them to innovate. Lots of good reasons. So development's gotten faster. Most of the other parts of the software development lifecycle, whether it be running tests or building artifacts or doing configuration management or doing deployments. Also, there are a bunch of tools out there to help you automate that. So what's left? It's managing the environment once it's in production. That, very sadly, is an almost entirely manual job. I mean, there are a ton of tools that'll help you observe your environment. There are maybe a half ton of tools that'll help you route things and do duplicate, but there's hardly anything out there that actually fixes your environment. And that's unfortunate, because pity the poor SRE who's dealing with this vastly faster pace of innovation and vastly faster software development lifecycle. So they're getting code faster, it's more complex, perhaps it's multi-cloud, it's got both Kubernetes and VMs in it, it's got a bunch of microservices, and they're responsible for plugging the holes in the dike wherever they happen, and the dike's only getting bigger. And so it's a really challenging job, and the only way to keep up with it is by making sure that the things that you do repetitively get automated away. The things that are getting escalated can be moved into processes where individual, you can broaden the team that can manage them and without escalation. And the things that need happen for the first time, you can debug fleet-wide in parallel. So now personally, I never got excited by having one more dashboard to look at or slightly better routing of tickets. What excited me was when someone came in and said, hey, that issue that woke us up last week? It's been automated away forever, because in an ever-growing fleet, in an ever more complex environment, at least there was one thing that I wouldn't have to think about in the future. And basically turning that continuous improvement process is the secret to having lower costs and higher availability in production operations.